So, of course, this will be open to questions about live video in a bit. But first up, I'm going to jump into the topic about Fame Talent League and Fame app is around building your personal asset. Yes, please.
I don't know. I think the internet seems to become really important. It wasn't. Yeah, I guess it's no, but it's fun. It's fun, especially on a thing like this. What happens is you log on at a particular time. People are waiting for you, and these are the people who buy tickets and watch our movies.
Right.
So for me, I mean, I don't know about others. For me, I'm always really excited to chat with people. There's a high school boy from Aligarh who wants good luck for his exams. So there's a housewife from Bangalore who wants to know how to do up the eyes without looking like it's too much makeup. It's all those things. So they're very small and personal, and I like the fact that it's one-on-one and it's instant.
It's actually one to many, but yeah, it's quite intimate.
Yeah.
It's very intimate and it's real time.
Yeah.
Absolutely. But what about you?
It's very intimate. So
Okay. but इसके पीछे कुछ है? Raz, something you should help it to.
इसके पीछे कुछ नहीं है. इसके पीछे ये है कि like with this live streaming and stuff like that, it's really important these days कि हम लोग again like Richa said कि it's really important for us who are into films, who are into filmmaking and stuff. We get to know a lot what our fans real feedback from the
Not
fans.
filtered, not fabricated.
ऑब्जेक्शनल चीजें थोड़ी सी फिल्टर होती हैं. उसके अलावा आई थिंक जो भी चीजें वो लोग जानना चाहते हैं हमारे बारे में, so it's like nothing is filtered. So I mean that's the beauty of it, and you get to know कि actually वो क्या चाहते हैं, क्या आपसे चाहते हैं, क्या आपको किस चीज में, किस रोल में भी देखना चाहते हैं, for instance. So I think that's the beauty of live streaming and apps like these.
Awesome. Okay. Actually something that she said that it's great for people जो film community से हैं, जो performers हैं, जो public life जीते हैं. But what about brands? Sanjay and Devendra, I'm going to come to you guys and let you all answer that. Today, brands, of course, they do their TVCs or newspaper ads, छापते हैं front page, मतलब खबर literally ढूंढनी पड़ती है दूसरे पन्ने पे. They do their hoardings, they do everything, right?
I think the spaces evolve. The spaces evolve. So,
Our brands evolving as fast.
absolutely. They're evolving as fast. Adaptive marketing is actually the buzzword. It's actually practice. Real-time marketing. None of our plans actually go without having social influencers playing a key role. So it's just not restricted to television and the third page print that you have to search for that you were talking about. But it encompasses all media.
So, there are a lot of influencers and bloggers here out in the room. As someone who advises brands on social media or digital content strategy, is there something that you'd like to tell them in terms of building their personal brand so they are relevant to brands that they can engage with?
Actually, I think the thing is that they are influencers because they speak contextually, they understand their topic very well.
Right.
Brands are just ancillary. I mean, we'll ride on whoever we think is the influencer.
Correct.
The influencer is actually the expert matter on his subject.
Absolutely.
So clearly, I think they know their job.
Absolutely. So that's exactly what we were talking about. The Fame app is a complementary device, a complementary mechanism to your existing social media cloud. You can have a WordPress blog, you can have a website, you can be on social media, Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, Snapchat, and you can use live video as a completely different experience. Growing up, were there different things that you wanted to do, or did you always know that you wanted to be an actor and have 5-minute monologues ranting about how your girlfriend dumped you and whatever else?
That was my dream.
Doing this was your dream.
Yeah.
Dude, you had some bad breakups then. I'm kidding.
No, it's not the case. I wanted to be a footballer.
A footballer?
Yeah. So can I live stream while playing football?
Absolutely. मतलब preferably phone लेके मत.
फोन पे किक मार दिया तो.
Phone नहीं. So you can have some
Live streaming वहाँ
you
पहुँचे.
can have some. You have these cool harnesses, chest harness.
Yeah.
वहाँ पे phone लगा दिया and you can actually see a point of view. But as a matter of fact, the Mumbai City FC, the Mumbai City Football Club, they have their account live on the Fame app, and every time they go reverse, they're in the nets, or they're even playing a match, they're up on the Fame app.
That's cool. That'll be a part of it.
Absolutely. That's very different. What about you, Richa? Growing up, always want to be an actress या कोई ऐसी कलाएं, कुछ ऐसे talents हैं that you wanted to, you know?
Like what?
I don't know.
You introduced me only saying लड़के लूँगा तो what do you want? Whatever. I always wanted to act. I think I was born to do it. And really, if you have that kind of clarity about what you want to do, there is nothing else you can do. I couldn't be a chef or a banker or anything because this was what I was meant to do.
Okay, you've been on the app for how many couple of weeks now?
About a month, yeah.
About a month.
Over a month now.
Absolutely. And please take us through your experience on the Fame app, through your live teams, some of the coolest, quirkiest, maddest things that have happened.
So first I was a little bit apprehensive because I thought it's really, you know, Instagram is fine, Twitter is also fine. You say what you want
We
to.
was up filter this.
No, I mean you say what you want. Not you can't filter trolls, yeah. You just block them. So I'm saying I was apprehensive about whether I want people to have this kind of access to me so easily on it's like Doordarshan 9 से 10 बजे रात को. So I was like am I sure? But then when I thought about it, I really look forward to the session. So I'll tell you what all I've done.
Sure.
I've played Antakshari live with fans, which is actually dumb charades, which is even funny because you're doing it virtually, so you're enacting things when the other person can't guess while speaking.
My God.
But we've had a really great session. I have done a live home workout from my house because I wanted people to know that you should be able to work out without an expensive gym or expensive equipment, and all you need is your body weight. And we had some record number of people watching that. I've done a small makeup tutorial for women and men. Men are very into grooming nowadays. So for men and women who ask questions about, of course there's always a random question in the middle that pops up. What is the procedure to marry you? Exactly. I had like one-on-one live, these like what Sophie was doing right now, calling fans and just singing to them, and randomly it's like I mean I would die if my favorite star calls me and starts singing a song. So yeah, it's been really fun, and I have to say the big problem that I have with the fact that the internet makes everybody so relevant is that like on several social media platforms, thank you, there is really very little moderation going on.
Correct.
So that's one thing I have to give to Fame, because you know about this whole thing about women getting trolled a lot, and then I have been trolled so many times.
So we take it very seriously.
Yeah, so and congratulations to you for that.
Thank you so much. Wow, getting it from her, it's a real life testimony. Apart from playing football, anything else that you think you would like to do when you're live on the Fame app? Oh, you sing?
Yeah, you can.
मोबाइल
Shadi.com का profile बना रहे हैं।
Shadi.com का मैं
अरे मोबाइल
एक्चुअली काफी इस फिल्म के बाद भी काफी लोगों ने उल्टा सवाल करना चालू कर दिया, क्योंकि गर्ल्स हैं and even the boys they have started asking me relationship advice, and I don't know why. मतलब it's the opposite to what I've done in the film. So I think या तो मेरा काम हो रहा था. I don't know.
So you'd love to have a
आवाज देना तो रोल मोबाइल
लव गुरु वाली चीज कुछ करूँगा.
भाई नीचे
And,
अरे मोबाइल
I think
नीचे
that's a
देना
great thing to do. ये फोन वाली चीज भी. I think
Calling a fan.
Yeah, calling a
You
fan.
call it phone a fan.
Yeah. You can call your fan and he or she will
They
whoever
go
it is.
home.
Yeah. So I think that sounds interesting. So I would love to do that.
Super. Devendra, how can brands, according to you, leverage live video? I mean, of course, it's a brand new technology. अगर हम सोशल मीडिया के phases देखें, पिछले 5 से 8 साल pictures as a medium of content publishing was the mainstay, right? Instagram आया, Facebook आया, pictures were really big. Of course, उसके बाद एक वीडियो का दौर आया, which was fronted mostly by YouTube and other.
For the same amount, I can give money to the charity. So I can do multiple things to the live thing. And in options are like you can do
Sky's the limit.
Sky's the limit, because you can talk about your product, you can take a for example, a beauty company can say the start to really utilize the product, how to really utilize the product, or
Correct.
like or else you can do all makeup artists to really show that how to use the products like makeup
Tutorial or something.
So there are a lot of things like a cooking, so you can get a set and utilize the olive oil to really cook.
हाँ जी सर, गुरु नानक जयंती की बहुत बहुत बधाई।
थैंक यू वेरी मच।
बोलिए सर।
अच्छा, ऐसा है कि जैसे टैलेंट हंटर्स हैं, इनके लिए विल यू बी प्रोवाइडिंग स्पेशल जजेस फॉर दैट?
ओह वाह।
क्योंकि पब्लिक है, वो ठीक है, प्रोफेशनल भी ज्यादा अच्छा होगा।
सर मुझे लगता है इस देश में हर कोई अर्णब गोस्वामी है और हर कोई रघुवर राजीव है, and everyone's a great judge. So the way the feature is built, audience is the जनता जनार्दन. I mean the judge is the जनता जनार्दन. कोई एक पर्टिकुलर पैनल नहीं है एक्सपर्ट्स का जो इसे वो करने वाले, but of course there's editorial discretion at fame's end, but there's no panel of judges. It's very open and democratic. That is the idea. अगर जजेस चाहिए तो टेलीविजन पे तो रियलिटी शो नहीं उसके नाम पे।
पब्लिक तो जज करेगी, अगर वो भी साथ में करेंगे तो ज्यादा।
करेक्ट करेक्ट।
वेल, ऋचा जी भी आपको हमने नए रोल में देखा, नवरात्रि में, डांसिंग में, कंट्री क्लब के प्रोग्राम में।
नहीं, मैंने नहीं किया था।
आए थे कांग्रेस में करने जा रही थी, न्यू तो
न्यू ईयर के लिए करेंगी।
करेंगे ना, तो वीडियो में देखा हमने आपका प्रेम रतन धन पायो,
वो
तो क्या डांस में ज्यादा ध्यान दे रही हैं आजकल? इसके बाद एज एन एक्ट्रेस आपने प्रूव कर चुकी है बहुत अच्छे, तो कोई डाउट
वेरी गुड टैलेंट
डांस में ध्यान देने की जरूरत है।
सर मुझे मैं आपको बता दूं प्रेम रतन धन पायो की कोरियोग्राफर और कैबरे फिल्म की कोरियोग्राफर सेम है, तो उनके लिए और सोनम के लिए हमने सोचा हम डब स्मैश बनाएंगे। आई थिंक इट्स गुड। सब लोग बोलते हैं एक्ट्रेसेस लड़की रहती हैं, बट इट्स गुड टू सपोर्ट ईच अदर गर्ल्स एंड डांस पे ध्यान शुरू से था मेरा, बस लोगों को लगा कि ये तो फैजल की मम्मी है ये। तो I always danced and sang because मुझे लगता है परफॉर्मर में सब कुछ करना चाहिए, पब्लिक स्पीकिंग भी करनी चाहिए, गाना भी गाना चाहिए, नाचना भी चाहिए। हम if we give our best for the audience only then आप लोग आएंगे ना, कितनी महंगी हो गई है टिकटें अभी आज। तो शुरू से ध्यान था सर। अभी I think we should do live streaming dance class यार now.
Great idea.
हाँ?
Super.
Very well.
Ravi,
Okay.
we're going to lock that up. Of
Thank you
course.
sir, आपने हमें idea दिया है।
Great idea. Thank you very much. Okay, we can take one question. Yes, sir, please. Can we have the mic here, please, for the gentleman?
For the last 4 months, I've been gaming 8 times a month.
Wow.
And I have to give up pre-schedule.
Well,
Does the FTL now permit me to decide of my own whether I can go beyond 8?
sorry, I didn't understand this.
I game 8 times a month for the last 4 months.
Right,
But I have to give my schedule in advance, in the beginning of the month.
right.
Now in the FTL, do I have the option that I can choose whenever to go live?
Absolutely, sir. आप जब भी लाइव जाना चाहें आप वो चूज कर सकते हैं. But what we've seen, some of the best practice जो साकेत ने भी कहा, रिचा भी will validate for that, is being consistent with one time when you come live on the app, because you want to build some sort of appointment viewing, right? कि लोग बात निकाल के they come and they experience. So you can choose whatever time you want. You can also go at different times in one day or multiple days. That's totally up to you.
Right, thanks.
Thank you. Thank you. All right. Can I please request Saket Saurabh to come up here on stage, and can we have the check here, and we can have a nice photo op for Fame Talent League. Thank you so much to all our panelists for joining us for the panel discussion.
Photo
and
खड़े हो जाते हैं सारे।